On January 25th, 2020, I ventured up north to the Big E Model Train Show in West Springfield, Massachusetts. The show was neat, and I got some nice deals on models. Anyways, after the show, I met up with several railfans about the double crossings of West Springfield to catch a couple of trains before heading back to Long Island. It wouldn't be long before CSX train Q427 would trip the Wilbraham detector, and it would be seen rounding the bend shortly thereafter. CSX Q427 is a daily manifest train. This train originates as Pan Am POSE, Portland, Maine to Selkirk, New York. It runs on Pan Am to Ayer, where it then runs to Worcester, before traversing CSX trackage to Selkirk. In Selkirk, the train will be split for points elsewhere. It had two ET44AHs for power, and it was nice to see an RBOX on track for a Cure boxcar. Definitely an oddball to the standard boxcars that were in the consist. Shortly after Q427 cleared, Q425 would begin building its train in West Springfield Yard. Like the Q427, Q425 is bound for Selkirk Yard, located around 10 miles south of Albany. You would see them pull forward, reverse back a bit, then pull forward again before it makes its short journey to Selkirk. It had three different GEVO variants for power, including an ET44AH on the point, an ES40DC second out, and an ES44AH as the rear DPU. Although I was unable to get a video of Q425's DPU, I managed to get a decent photo of it. As it slithered around the curve, that concluded my day. Although I didn't see too much action during my stay, it was still neat to make some new friends and see some familiar faces. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, drop a like down below, and consider subscribing to my channel to see more railroading content from the Northeast and beyond. I'll see you down the line.
I did that.